Welcome you all to our day 2 session of English 1 class. Today's lesson is an integrated exercise I have given you all. A short passage has been given to you. You have to fill in the blanks with the words that are being given within the bracket. It's very easy. If you read, all of you should first read the passage once. For the second time when you start writing the answers, it will become all the more easy. So let me just read out the passage to you once. Last month we dashed the Andamans. I was amazed to see the deep blue sea. I went with my sister. Dash. We planned to go for dash, that is to swim with a mask and a tube. We took a dive into the water. There were many colorful fishes around. Dash, 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 and goldfishes swam past. My sister also enjoyed a lot. We saw a dash and coral near the rocks. This was a memorable dash for both of dash. So let's now start writing the answers. Last month we dashed the Andamans. What will it be, children? It has to be visited. Next, I was amazed to see the deep blue sea. I went with my sister dash. That means you have to find out a name here. Where is the name here? Here, Susan. We planned to go for dash, that is to swim with a mask and a tube. Now, do you know, it will be snorkeling. I think some of you have been to Andamans or Malaysia. There, snorkeling is a kind of a water sport and it's very interesting. You have to go deep down into the water with the help of a mask and a tube. And you can see all the underwater creatures. Yes, so it is snorkeling. This is a new word for you, isn't it so, children? Yes. We took a dive into the water. There were many colorful fishes around. There are 4 blanks given. That means here you have to write the different colors. Now, where will we find the colors? Here. Blue, red, orange, green. Blue, red, orange, green. 4 blanks are there? Yes. Blue, red, orange, green. And goldfishes swam past. My sister also enjoyed a lot. We saw a what? Starfish. This is also another underwater creature. This was a memorable. What memorable? It was a memorable. Which is relevant word? Experience. For both of us. The only word left. Us. So isn't this a very easy, children? Yes. Another thing you must remember while writing the words, and when you pick up the words from the bracket, please see that you do not make a spelling mistake. If you write the wrong spelling, then marks will be deducted for that. I'm very sure that you will not make such mistakes. Isn't it so? So, okay, that's all for today. We will continue on day 3. Thank you so much.